We've got the posts in place. Let's put on the fascia. Right, there's all the posts with the fascia on them, and it's time to put the brackets on. First thing is you make sure that the bracket is all the way up against the fascia. Then you have a piece of whatever you're using as your slat, so you can put it in place. Align that with the top of the post, and that's exactly where your bracket goes. So I'm going to and now what I'm going to do is add 2 more fasteners. Take the next bracket, tie it against the fascia, butt it up against there, and then 1 more, and we're done.